Caffeine is one of the most researched and proven ergogenic aids for helping improve focus, fat loss, and performance. All the caffeine used in KAGEDMUSCLE products is a patented organic PurCaf. PurCaf organic caffeine is a powdered extract standardized at 90% pure caffeine, extracted from sustainably grown and ethically farmed green coffee beans. PurCaf is non-GMO and one of the only GRAS-certified caffeine sources in the industry today. PurCaf is 100% chemical-free, certified organic and highly soluble in water. This means your body can efficiently reap all the benefits of caffeine supplementation without having to break down contaminants found in synthetically derived caffeine supplements. What you get is a clean source of caffeine. Unlike synthetic sources of caffeine, which causes you to crash hard, PurCaf caffeine provides you with a smooth, sustained release of energy.